All right, if you have one of these and you live full-time in an RV, or you're in a campground, or you just need an extra fence, you're gonna want one of these guys right here. So you have one of these, oh baby, all right buddy. And then you're gonna want one of these. Let me take you on a tour about this, or take you on a journey now. This fence, first and foremost, you can get it to extend, and it extends pretty good, but if you need more, like you wanted to create a square, you can actually get more. Now I just got the two because I don't know at every campground that we go to. I have no idea how I'm going to set it up, but it collapses just like that. You can even take the wheels off and it goes right in the back of the truck for me. And if you wanted more of a permanent solution, it does come with a mounting bracket right here and a couple hardware pieces that you can mount it into, say like a backyard, a fence. This is completely awesome for outdoor use, although you could use it for indoor use, but you don't need to worry about the elements with how this is constructed. Now, when I first got it, it took me a minute to figure it out, and then I'm like, oh, duh, right here. Just don't be like me. Don't have a duh moment. How to expand this is just right here and right here. Now, personally, I like to do one and then the other when I'm in a new place and I'm like, I don't really know where I'm gonna set this up. And then the other thing that you need to know really quick is every single one of these canister wheels have locking in there. So that's gonna lock down and keep it good. And for me, in my use case, this works great because he's not gonna knock into a fence. He's not gonna run. He's not gonna try and jump over. If you have a dog like that's gonna work great. If not, then you're gonna probably wanna secure both ends so that it doesn't move. But he sees a fence, he stops, so he's good with that. If your dog's like that, then this might be just perfect the way it is. Let me show you really quick how far this does expand. Now, what we usually do is we usually kick it into a V, or if we have a point to point. So if I want to take this and create kind of a fence barrier for my little doodad here, I can do a couple different things. We can fence it in just like this and have a V area. And I know that's not that much. Well, he stays right in here, just like that. It's not necessarily my preferred, but we're in this camping spot. So usually I look for if I'm up against a wall or a fence or something like that, or I get two more and attach my other two and I create just a square. He stays in that square all day long. He loves being outside versus inside, right? Inside gets kind of cramped if he's in there all the time. He just loves, and he'll just come in here and sit. So Pippi, come. Let's go in here. Come here, in here. Hey. Just like that, we can both be chilling here. Just like that, I can sit back, relax, and know that my dog's not gonna run off on me if I wanted to take a nap. So if you're looking for just a little portable, secure area that expands quite a bit with just these two, or you can add more, these do expand more than I thought they would, so that's a plus. Plus, they're easy, they shrink up, they're easy, they're portable to move. And it's just about making sure that you're enjoying the camping season and that your dog is as well, because you never know when that dog, squirrel, or person's gonna walk by and your dog's gonna, boo, squirrel. So don't let that be you, and enjoy the outdoors on your next camping trip.